Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some famous colleges of West Bengal. If you missed previous videos of this discussion, click on the I button to get the list and watch one by one. Today's discussion will be about Charuchandra College in Kolkata. Charuchandra College was established in the year 1947. The college offers 3 undergraduate courses in Science, Commerce and Arts. The college is affiliated to the University of Calcutta. Charuchandra College is accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council or NAAC with B+ grade and secured 2.52 CGPA in 2016. Charuchandra College admission can be done by applying online on the official website of the college. Charuchandra College offers undergraduate courses in BA, BCom and BSc. Moreover, the college offers 5 specializations in arts, 8 specializations in science and 2 specializations in commerce. The college is located at Kolkata, West Bengal. The applicants must have the required scanned documents before applying for the admissions. Students of Charuchandra College will be facilitated with library, laboratory, computer labs and sports. All the courses are for the duration of 3 years and are offered in honors and general schemes. BSc and BA courses have a total intake of 256 students, while the BCom courses have an intake of 150 students. So now let's go through this college's courses. Charuchandra College offers General BA and BA honors on Bengali, Economics, Political Science and English. General BSc and BSc honors on Botany, Mathematics, Zoology, Economics, Chemistry and Physics. This college also offers General BCom and BCom honors. So now let's see this college's eligibility criteria. For BA honors, minimum 50% marks in aggregate and 45% marks in either English, Bengali, Economics or Political Science. 5% relaxation for ST and SC candidates, or minimum 55% marks in English or Bengali or Economics or Political Science, or minimum 50% aggregate marks for the students who have not studied honors subject in 12th. For BSc honors, minimum 50% marks in aggregate in class 12 and 40% marks in aggregate in chemistry or zoology or physics or economics or mathematics or botany, or minimum 55% marks in chemistry or zoology or physics or economics or mathematics or botany, or minimum 50% aggregate marks in class 12 if the candidate has not studied honors subject. For BCom honors, minimum 50% marks in aggregate in class 12 and 40% marks in aggregate in business economics including business mathematics or business organization and management or accountancy or mathematics or economics or statistics or business studies or financial accounting or commerce or accounts or office practice and secretarial or bookkeeping or business mathematics or elements of cost accountancy and auditing or cost accountancy and principle of management, or 55% marks in aggregate in business economics including business mathematics or business organization and management or accountancy or mathematics or economics or statistics or business studies or financial accounting or commerce or accounts or office practice and secretarial or bookkeeping or business mathematics or elements of cost and accountancy and auditing or cost accountancy and principle of management. Charuchandra College offers some scholarships such as a number of merit-based scholarships exist through the University of Calcutta. A fund of Kanyashree Prakalpo exists for the female students. Separate funds exist for the candidates belonging the SC and ST categories. There is a Students' Aid Fund which extends the financial help to the students who are under financial constraint. Some notable alumni of this college are actress Dolan Roy, Indian footballer Pranay Haldar, poet Swadesh Bharati, and athlete Srijit Bhattacharjee. Contact number, address, website, email and online admission link of this college is available in this video's description. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.